In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit memo in QuickBooks Online. A credit memo lets you reduce what a customer owes you, usually because of a return, a price adjustment, or a service you decided not to charge for. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to fill out so your records stay accurate and your customer balances reflect the change. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign into your company. Once you're on the dashboard, you're in the right place. If your view looks a little different from mine, that's okay. QuickBooks updates the layout from time to time, but the flow is the same. Next, look for the button you use to create new transactions. It may be labeled New or Create near the top left or top right of your screen. Click it, then choose Credit Memo. If you don't see it immediately, check under the Customers or Sales section in that menu. Selecting Credit Memo will open a form that looks similar to an invoice, but it works in reverse to reduce the customer's balance. Now complete the credit memo details. Start by selecting the correct customer. Make sure this matches the original sale you're adjusting so the credit applies to the right account. Confirm the date of the credit memo. Use the date you want the adjustment to affect your books. QuickBooks will usually assign a credit memo number automatically, but adjust it if your company uses a specific numbering format. In the product or service area, add each item you're crediting. Use the same product or service as the original sale whenever possible. This keeps your income and sales reports accurate. Enter the quantity, rate, and any discounts that apply. If you charge sales tax, verify that the tax setting is correct for the items you're crediting so the tax portion is reversed appropriately. Add a clear description for each line, such as returned item or price adjustment, so anyone reviewing your records understands why the credit was issued. If you track classes or locations, set those fields to match the original transaction. You can also attach supporting documents, like a return authorization or email confirmation, to the credit memo for reference. Before saving, give everything a quick review: customer name, date, line items, amounts, and tax. When it looks good, click Save or Save and Close. QuickBooks will record the credit memo and reduce the customer's outstanding balance accordingly. That's it. You've created a credit memo in QuickBooks Online, keeping your books clean and your customer accounts accurate.